Never fear, Cindersh is here. And I'm mostly just doing a test of my new equipment, at least some of the new equipment. This desk is missing the all-in-one that would usually be here, and which the camcorder that's up here on my windowsill, or my window, will be on top of the all-in-one, aiming down on the screen, kind of more here than up here. And then I'll still have the all-in-one's camera, which I can make this smaller. I prefer the all-in-one for the mini-cam, except my all-in-one runs super slow with the mini-cam running. So I'm got it gone right now. It's gonna be upgraded over the next week or two, so that we can handle running the mini-cam smoothly without audio problems, because it gets so sluggish that the audio becomes choppy and ugly, and it's part of why I've not had a video up. I've tried to do one of these test videos about 7 times, and between a couple of problems with getting the new mic to work on Minicam, I got to work on Audacity just fine, but then it wouldn't work on Minicam, and just normal troubles with trying to run Minicam on my all-in-one. It hasn't happened yet. So this isn't quite the setup I'll have. It's very close. The tablet, which I'm using right now, will be more or less where it is now. And I'll use it to have my picture that I'll use for whatever I'm going to draw. I will also have, if I'm going to do these live, I'll have up the chat on my tablet over here so that I can be interacting while I'm over here drawing. And you'll be able to see me drawing. I will have the visual of me, but it'll be contracted, which I can't do on this one because I've only upgraded one of my mini cams. I upgraded the version that's on my tablet. I've not paid to upgrade the version on my, I got that backwards. I paid to upgrade the version that's on my all-in-one, not the version on my tablet, and so my tablet can only do the one size mini screen, and I can't get rid of the minicam.com on it. That's fine for this test. When I have the other one back up, when I have the all-in-one running again, that's when I'll start doing drawing pictures where you'll see me drawing on the table. You'll be able to see me, talk to me if I do these live. If you think I should do these live versus doing a pre-recorded like this, where you'll still get to see me do the drawing or whatever, but not be able to interact with me, whichever you think would be better. I think it'd be fun to do it live. That's kind of the plan. Hopefully the mic's been working, and I'm not going to worry about editing any of this. I just want to test all of it, explain what I want to do with why I'm testing all this equipment, why I've gotten this new equipment. I think getting the mic was a good idea to begin with, just for consistency in my audio, and just to make it a little bit more visible. This is the Blue Ice microphone that I got to use for this, and then I've got a new external webcam. So of course the tablet has its built-in webcam. My all-in-one has a built-in webcam, but now I'll be able to run 2 webcams into my minicam at the same time, and possibly even put up another small window, at least at the beginning of the video, to demonstrate what it is I'm drawing, and just so that you can have an idea of what I am drawing. Let me get my keyboard for this out real quick. And open up one file real quickly. Whoops. What I want to do is... No, I need to open the file first. Okay. We'll get this figured out. And that's why we're doing a test, right? So I've kind of already given myself a picture to work with. Whoa, come on. There we go. Now, come on. Why are you being a pain? My keyboard hates me. This keyboard hates me sometimes. Okay, now we can do this. Application window. This thing. Nope, that's the wrong one. Application window. That is what I want. But now I gotta put it back in front. There we go. So the picture I'm going to do for my first one of these will be Jocko and Gohan posing together. You're not going to get the Earth and the DBS thing. I'm going to put some other background behind them. I don't know. Putting the moon, putting the Earth and then a moon behind Gohan, that might be kind of cool to do that. So that may be what I end up doing. Let me know what you think of that idea. If you want me to put something else back there, if you want me to put the blue planet behind him and a moon-like picture behind Gohan, or if you want me to do something else, let me know about that. And like I said, hopefully this audio is working. So that's really it for this. I just intended to do a test and give you a little bit of a explanation of what's coming in the near future. Give you a taste of what's coming in the near future. Here's, as you can see, this is another one of my pictures I've done. It's Kid Goku on the flying Nimbus, up there in the sky with Shenron, and I've used it as a picture for one of my folders. I wish I could find the actual album that has all my pictures in it, the tangible versions like this. For some reason I can't find it. That's why I had to use the digital versions I had on the computer already to put on Twitter last night. Anyway, this is Super Saiyan 7 Cindersh again. I thank you for watching, and I will be back with more content in the very near future.